There's a big world out there, waiting to be discovered. Stories waiting to become memories. By owning your own static caravan holiday home in North Wales, you can bring the adventure to your doorstep. As the National Caravan Council approved dealer for North Wales and Cheshire, Roy Kellett Caravans and Lloyds Caravans can help you make it happen. There are 5 easy steps. Step 1. Choose your favourite part of North Wales. Coast or country? History or adventure? We know North Wales better than anyone, and we'd be happy to let you in on a secret or two. So, start exploring. Step 2. Visit one of our 3 dealerships for park recommendations. Based on your favourite location, we'll help you choose from hundreds of privately owned parks. Even parks you wouldn't find online or in a brochure. We'll locate available plots and arrange your viewings. Step 3. Pick your favourite park. You'll be spending a lot of good times here, so make sure you have a chance to get acquainted. We'll always have more recommendations waiting for you, but if you happen to find that special somewhere, and you know the size and aspect of your plot, it's time for step 4. Choose a caravan from one of our showgrounds. As the NCC approved dealer for North Wales and Cheshire, we stock a huge range of caravans from all the leading manufacturers. Holiday homes to suit all needs and tastes. We even have our own exclusive range. And if there's something missing, we'll order it in, especially for you. And by step 5, it's time to take a break. Our transportation team will deliver and install your new holiday home, so it's ready when you are. And if there's anything else you need after the sale, our in-house customer team are always here to help. So make sure you're packed and ready, because this is the beginning of a great adventure.